Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into Trymata, a platform that pays people to test websites and apps. If you've ever wondered if it's legit or worth your time, this review is for you. What it is. Trymata, previously known as Trymata UI, is a usability testing platform. Companies use it to get real feedback from people who test their websites or apps. For testers, it's a way to earn money by recording their thoughts while navigating through different tasks online. You'll need a microphone and, in some cases, a webcam. After finishing the test, you submit your recording, and once it's approved, you get paid. Payments are made through PayPal, and most tests pay around $10 for 20 minutes of work, though some may pay more for longer or specialized tests. Who it's for. Trymata is great for anyone looking to make a little extra side income, especially students, freelancers, or people who spend time online and have a clear way of expressing their thoughts. It's not a full-time job, but it can be a nice side hustle. What people are saying. On the positive side, users like that it's simple, legit, and pays fairly quickly. Many say the instructions are clear and the pay rate is decent for the time required. On the negative side, opportunities can be limited. Some testers say they don't get tests very often, and others mention that if your feedback isn't detailed enough, your test can be rejected. Red flags. There aren't major scam warnings here, since Trymata is a well-known platform. But the main downside is inconsistency. You can't rely on it for steady income. So, that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on Trymata in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews.